Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you are driving, following Waze directions, but there is no voice telling you where to turn. This is one of the most common complaints, and it can happen for several reasons, including settings, Bluetooth routing, or permissions. In today's small tutorial, I'm gonna show you the complete fix for the Waze voice not working, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, go and check the Waze for settings. Open Waze and go all the way through the settings menu by tapping on this three lines option. Now, we're gonna go all the way to our settings here, looking for voice and sound. So as you see, there is many options like normal, less chatty, or you can even turn it off if you want. As for the voice directions, make sure they aren't muted at all. Okay, make sure everything is looking good. You can even try select a different voice. Sometimes a corrupted voice file can cause problems. Check the device media output or volume. Make sure your media volume is turned up, not just ringtone or alarm. On Android, press the volume button and expand the volume settings to check the media as well. Also check the Bluetooth routing. In Waze, go through settings, voice and sound. Check the play sound via option. Select the correct output, like phone speaker or Bluetooth car audio. It depends on you. As for like a small tip, even with Bluetooth connected setting to play on phone speaker can sometimes fix the issue. Now, just with Bluetooth off, check the microphone permissions, CarPlay and Android Auto, make sure the setting voice and sound always use the phone speaker, is inactive so where sound goes through the car speakers. Also ensure your car's audio sources set to Bluetooth or media, not FM radio or the aux. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.